Hello again. Today we're going to be making our voices make some really interesting sounds. Let's see which ones of these you can do really well. The first one is to try and make your voice sound as if it's going down a slide. Are you ready? Whee! Do you want to try that again? Whee! Can you see what's happening to my mouth when I do it? Whee! I've had a turn. Now it's your go. Make a sound as if you're going down a slide. And again. Fabulous work. Okay, our next sound that we're going to make is making your voice bounce like a ball. Are you ready? Boing, 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 boing. Look closely at my mouth. Boing, boing, boing. Your turn now. Great work. The next one we're going to do is to try to make our voices sound really disappointed. Disappointed is when you were looking forward to something and it's not going to happen anymore. So this is my disappointed voice. Oh. Oh. Your turn. Oh, you sound really disappointed. Oh. Are you ready? Our next voice sound is going to be making the snake sound. Can you hiss like a snake? When I'm making that sound, I have my tongue just behind my teeth. Can you put your tongue just behind your teeth and make this sound? Have a try. Fabulous snake hissing. Well done. The next sound we're going to make is one that tells everybody it's time to be quiet. Are you ready? Shh. Shh. Can you make your mouth do what my mouth is doing? And say, shh. Have a try. Oh, that was great shushing. You've made me feel quite sleepy. Our next one is, can you moo like a cow moos? Quite a gentle moo. It's quite a gentle, quiet cow. Are you ready? Watch my mouth. Moo. Moo, moo. Can you feel your nose tickling a little bit when you say the sound? My nose tickles a little bit when I say the sound. Moo, moo. Have a little go. Great work. Next one is we're going to look really astonished. Astonished is something that happens when it's something that you weren't expecting and you make a sound like this. Oh! Oh! Can you make that sound? Oh! Look at my mouth when I make the O sound and see if you can make your mouth do that too. Oh! Your turn. Great work. You sound really, really astonished. Next, we're going to be a steam train. I can't be a steam train without using my arms, so you can use your arms too if you want to. Are you ready? Can you see what's happening to my mouth when I'm making the ch sound? Can you see how my lips are pointing out? Ch, ch, ch. And my tongue is behind my teeth and it's just going up and down to make the ch sound. Ch, ch. turn to be a train. Great work. Next, I'm going to be buzzing like a bumblebee. Are you ready? Zzz. Can you see what's happening to my mouth when I buzz like a bumblebee? Can you see that my teeth are quite close together and the sound is coming out between them? Zzz. That tickles my tongue to do that sound. Does it tickle your tongue too? Have a try. Have you got ticklish tongue now? Zzz. Great work. Okay, the last one we're going to do is we're going to be a clock. So we're going to do tick tock like a clock. Are you ready? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. To make the t t t sound, you have to keep your tongue right behind your teeth. T t t. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. You have a turn. Great work. Did you feel your tongue behind your teeth making that sound? To finish, we're going to go all the way through all the sounds we've done today. Join in with me. Are you ready? Down a slide. Whee! Like a ball. Boing, 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 boing. Really disappointed. Oh. Like a snake. Like trying to keep everybody really quiet. Shh. Like a cow. Moo. Moo. Look astonished. Oh. And be a steam train. Buzz like a bumblebee. Bzzz. Be like a clock. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Great work. Can you make your face, your mouth, make other sounds? Have a little try and see how you get on. And I'll see you next time.